Hi, I'm Allison and I'm a children's librarian with Sonoma County's library, and I'm here today to show you the new Take and Make for the month of April. Today's video is all about cartography. What's cartography? The drawing of shopping carts? No, it's map making. So in this bag we have directions and colored pencils, a ruler, a fine point pen, a map template, Sonoma County right here. See, there's where it is in the whole state of California, and even blank cardstock. So you can use the template and draw a map of your community in Sonoma County, or you can use this blank paper and you can make a map of your very own imaginary world with unicorns and dragons and all kinds of like colorful people and critters. So those are your options. Now, let's go and put some stuff on our map. So you can make your map at home using your imagination, or grab your favorite adult and head out into the community. First of all, on my map, I'm going to draw, you guessed it, my local library. This is the Guerneville Regional Branch Library, where I am the children's librarian. So I'm going to draw the Guerneville Library branch right here, not too far from the coast. There we go, library, I'll label it. And then I'll draw a little squiggle here in blue as the Russian River, which runs right along downtown Guerneville. On the other side of the library, here, is Armstrong Woods State Park. So I'll draw a little tree here, and the beautiful redwoods there. And over here we have what they call a compass rose. You can draw your own if you do your own map and make it fancy, but I'm just going to use this. And here we see north, east, south, and west. You can put anything you want on your map. I'm going to draw a little whale out here in the Pacific Ocean with this dark purple to draw a little whale. Pacific Ocean. And remember to have fun. Hi everyone! Today I'm at Steelhead Beach Regional Park with my canine friend Brutus. So not only does Sonoma County Libraries have cool cartography take and make craft kits, but they also have really cool regional parks discovery packs. Each pack contains a parking pass, information in both English and Spanish, trail guides, and other cool activities. The discovery pack is separate from the craft take and make kits, so you'll have to check them out separately. But they can be checked out online and reserved and picked up at curbside pickup just like a book. All right, Brutus, when we get home, we're going to put Steelhead Regional Park on our map. Okay, let's go for a walk.